A drill is only as useful as the tools you attach to it. With the right accessories, a basic drill can turn into a much more capable and precise tool. These attachments help you handle a wide range of tasks. Instead of struggling with limitations, you can work faster, easier, and with better control. Stay until number 3. After that, you won't be shopping for a new drill. You'll be upgrading the one you already have. Number 15. Metal Shear Drill Attachment. This is a clever attachment that instantly upgrades your regular drill into a precise and powerful metal cutting tool. They are made from durable titanium steel. It's built to handle tough jobs, smoothly cutting through thin sheets of iron, aluminum, and even stainless steel like it's nothing. Just attach the adapter to your drill, secure it tightly, and you're ready to start cutting. Number 14. Automatic Center Punches. Pay attention, because this little tool can seriously upgrade how you work with wood or metal. Inside, a spring-loaded mechanism builds and releases force with a single press, so there's no need for a hammer at all. It leaves a sharp, controlled indentation on surfaces like wood, steel, aluminum, glass, and even marble, helping keep your drill bit locked in place without wandering off target. Despite its small size, it's made from tough, heavy-duty steel and finished with a textured grip so it won't slip in your hand during use. Number 13. Spade Bits. When you've pushed a standard twist bit to its limit, usually around ½ an inch in diameter, it's time to switch things up. Most of them feature either a brad point or a self-feeding tip, which helps keep the bit steady and controlled as you start the cut. Once it's engaged, the bit starts shaving away wood quickly, producing larger chips that are pushed out through the sides of the paddle as it drills deeper. With a strong corded drill, you can often go up to about 1½ inches in diameter using spade bits. This next one turns an ordinary drill into more useful. Number 12. Electric Hammer Needle. This is a powerful add-on that turns your hammer drill into a real all-round surface prep tool. It's great for stripping rust, cleaning up concrete, removing old coatings, prepping walls for tiles, and even handling heavier masonry work. Instead of damaging what you're working on, it clears away buildup in a more even and efficient way. Setting it up is simple, just attach it to most SDS plus hammer drills and you're ready to go within moments. Number 11. Saw Adapter Drill. It easily turns your drill, no matter if it's cordless, impact, or standard, into a powerful and versatile cutting saw. With a sturdy triangular shaft and a quick-release alloy chuck, it lets you swap blades in seconds without any tools, saving time and effort on the job. The alloy steel blades are sharp, durable, and designed to resist breaking, even under demanding tasks. If you want to check them out, all the links are in the description. Number 10. Hole Saw. These tools use a small pilot bit to keep things centered at the start. There are a few different types available, and the right choice really depends on what you're working on and how much you want to spend. General-purpose bimetal hole saws are the most versatile option. They can handle both wood and metal, making them a solid all-round choice for everyday jobs. Carbide-tipped versions, usually with 2 to 4 cutting teeth, are more aggressive and better suited for tougher tasks. They perform well in wood, can handle occasional nails, and are especially useful for materials like cement board, shingles, plaster, and stucco. Number 9. DEWALT Drill Bit Set. Here is a great and efficient way for a smooth workflow. It pairs a 6mm wood bit with a built-in countersink feature, so you can drill your hole and prepare it for a screw in one clean step instead of switching tools. The quick change system also saves time, letting you move between drilling and driving screws in seconds without slowing down your work. Its split-point bit design helps it bite into the surface immediately on contact, reducing slipping and giving you cleaner, more controlled entry points. A black oxide coating adds extra durability and helps it hold up well under regular use. Number 8. Autoline Drill Guide. This is a woodworking drill locator, a practical guide that helps you achieve clean, accurate, and professional-looking results every time you drill. It comes with a clearly marked measuring scale, so you can take quick readings without reaching for extra tools like rulers or tape measures. The structure is solid yet adjustable, and the rear mounting system gives you flexible setup options depending on the project you're working on. Number 7. Dowel Jig Kit. If you enjoy fine woodworking, this is one of those tools that can really improve your accuracy and workflow. It's the adjustable 3-in-1 drilling guide locator, a handy jig designed to make drilling in wood more precise, consistent, and far less stressful. Once clamped in place, the sturdy build helps prevent the drill bit from wandering, even when working with harder types of wood. That stability makes a big difference when you're aiming for clean, tight-fitting results. It also includes multiple guide options for different drill bit sizes, which helps speed things up and reduces the need to constantly switch tools or remeasure. Number 6. Pipe Threading Tool. This is a strong little tool for people who work with pipes at home or on jobs. It helps you cut threads on pipes so they can be joined tightly without leaking. It works with DN 15, 20, and 25 size pipes and can be used on plastic pipes like PVC and PPR. You can attach it to a wrench or even a drill, so you can turn it by hand or let the drill do the work. It is made from strong steel so it does not break easily, and the teeth are shaped to cut clean threads that fit together well. Number 5. Nut drivers. Nut drivers are simple tools that help you tighten or loosen nuts and bolts much easier than doing it by hand with a wrench. Instead of struggling and risking hurting your knuckles, you just attach it to a driver and let the tool do most of the work. They usually come in bright colors so you can quickly pick the right size without guessing. A strong magnetic tip holds the nut in place so it does not fall while you work. They are also made strong enough to handle impact drivers, so they can take more force without breaking and still give you smooth, easy turning every time. Number 4. Mini Diamond Saw. Get ready, because this gadget is all about precision for anyone who loves detailed, careful work. This is a collection of ultra-thin cutting discs designed to slice through glass, ceramic, marble, stone, and even wine bottles with impressive accuracy. The high-hardness metal core adds stability and durability, helping the blades perform consistently even on more delicate or challenging materials. This ensures long service life without sacrificing precision. On top of that, the reusable shank design allows you to swap between different discs easily, making the set cost-efficient. So which one of these would you get? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Drill Hammer. This is a strong, heavy-duty tool made for jobs where you need real force, like construction or electrical grounding work. It's an 85mm ground rod driver, designed to help you install things like grounding rods, fence posts, or metal supports much faster and easier than using a sledgehammer. Instead of hitting the rod directly, you attach this tool and let it take the impact for you. It's made from forged steel, so it can handle strong repeated hits without bending or breaking, even in tough outdoor conditions. It also resists rust and wear, which makes it reliable when used in rough environments. You can quickly attach and remove it without needing extra tool. Number 2. Tube Expander. It's a clever tool that turns any drill into a precision copper tube flaring and expanding. Its hex shank locks securely into the drill chuck, ensuring stable, slip-free power transfer while you work. With a single attachment, you can handle multiple tube diameters, which saves time, reduces tool changes, and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. It's especially useful for expanding tube ends to create tight, leak-proof joints that hold up under pressure. Number 1. Dirt Hole Auger. It's the loose soil spiral auger, a carbon steel drill bit that instantly transforms your drill into a powerful planting and digging tool. Its spiral design is built to glide smoothly through soil and even light wood, lifting material as it works to prevent clogging and reduce strain. That means less effort, less fatigue, and a much cleaner digging experience overall. What once took hours of digging can now be done in minutes with smooth, effortless drilling. In short, it brings together efficiency, comfort, and clean results, all in one simple spin. So with this we are ending today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe because more helpful content is on the way. Thanks for watching.